In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a PDF document. Easy guide. If you need to sign a PDF quickly without printing, scanning, or dealing with paperwork, this process is simple and very convenient. Using a PDF app like Adobe Acrobat Reader or another editor that supports electronic signatures, you can add your signature in just a few minutes and send the document back with everything neatly in place. Start by opening your PDF document in your preferred PDF application. Make sure the file is fully loaded and that you can clearly see the page where the signature is required. Most modern PDF tools include signing features, but Adobe Acrobat Reader is one of the most commonly used options. Once the document is open, look for the signing feature in the toolbar. Depending on the software you're using, this may be labeled Sign, Fill, and Sign, or Add Signature. These tools are designed to help you place an electronic signature directly onto the document without changing the rest of the file. After you open the Sign tool, create your signature using the method that works best for you. You can type your name if that's acceptable for the document, draw your signature with a mouse, stylus, or touchscreen for a more handwritten look, or upload an image of your signature if you already have one prepared. Choose the option that gives you the clearest and most professional result. Next, click on the area of the PDF where the signature needs to go. This is usually a signature line or a marked signing field. Place your signature carefully so it appears in the correct location. Once the signature is added, take a moment to resize and reposition it. This helps make sure it fits neatly within the designated space and doesn't overlap any important text. A clean placement makes the final document look more polished and easier for others to review. After that, save the signed PDF. This step is very important because it preserves your signature and any changes you've made. If your PDF software offers Save As, you may want to use it to keep an unsigned copy of the original document for your records. Then reopen the saved PDF and review the final version. Confirm that your signature is visible, readable, and placed exactly where it should be. It's always a good idea to double check before sending anything important. Once everything looks correct, you can share or submit the signed PDF however needed, whether that means emailing it, uploading it to a website, or sending it through an online form. Electronic signing is one of the fastest ways to complete forms and agreements, and it saves time while keeping the process simple and professional.